Sickle cell disease. This video is for informational purposes only. It is not to be substituted for professional medical advice. Please consult a doctor for further advice. Sickle cell diseases are disorders in which the red blood cells in the body are curved in shape. These cells die earlier than the regular round red blood cells, thus causing a shortage of healthy red blood cells in the body. These sickle-shaped blood cells can also block blood flow, causing severe pain. Sickle cell disorders are quite rare and are inherited from parents. There is no permanent cure, but treatment can help bring symptoms under control. Different types of sickle cell disorders. Sickle cell anemia. This is when there is a shortage of healthy red blood cells in the body, which causes shortage of oxygen supply to the different parts of the body. Sickle cell crisis. This is when the sickle cells block blood flow in the body. Symptoms of sickle cell disease: fatigue or tiredness, dizziness, repeated infections, pain in joints and chest, shortness of breath, yellow skin and eyes, irregular heartbeats, swelling of hands and feet, delayed growth or puberty, poor vision. Diagnosis: a blood test can check for the defective form of hemoglobin that underlies sickle cell anemia. In adults, a blood sample is drawn from a vein in the arm. In young children and babies, the blood sample is usually collected from a finger or heel. The sample is then sent to a laboratory where it is screened for the defective hemoglobin. Sickle cell anemia is usually diagnosed in infancy through newborn screening programs. If you or your child develop any of the following problems, see a doctor right away or seek emergency medical care. Fever. People with sickle cell anemia have an increased risk of serious infection, and fever can be the first sign of an infection. Unexplained episodes of severe pain, such as pain in the abdomen, chest, bones, or joints. Swelling in the hands or feet. Abdominal swelling, especially if the area is tender to the touch. Pale skin or nail beds. Yellow tint to the skin or whites of the eyes. Signs or symptoms of stroke. If you notice one-sided paralysis or weakness in the face, arms or legs, confusion, trouble walking or talking, sudden vision changes or unexplained numbness, or a severe headache. Treatment for sickle cell disorder. Sickle cell disorders cannot be cured. However, certain medication can give temporary relief. Painkillers for intense pain, vitamin supplements which increase production of red blood cells, blood transfusion which increases the number of healthy red blood cells in the body. Diet: eat from a rainbow of fruits and vegetables along with grains. Proteins such as eggs, fish, chicken, lean meat, beans or tofu, and nuts. Calcium-rich foods such as low-fat or fat-free milk, yogurt and cheese, leafy green vegetables, and calcium-fortified foods such as soy milk, orange juice and tofu. Drink adequate. Stay informed, stay healthy, stay connected.